So we thought we'd just take a quick second to tell you about some of the upgrades to the Grey Wolf Black labels.
2023.
Yeah. I think one cool
good.
thing that means absolutely nothing, but it's kind of cool, and we won't be able to see it because it's not dark out, but it's got the, I can't remember what he called it, but it's like an accent light. So this right here will shoot the Grey Wolf logo right down at the ground here. Obviously it's bright outside, you can't see. There's one inside here, right up here. This will shoot, you can kind of see it on my hand. This will shoot, I can't tell what it says. I think it says Grey Wolf, but it shoots it right down here on the floor at night. A cool little accent light that serves as a like a night light. Love it.
The main thing outside, you'll notice 2023, they went to the automotive frameless windows, which look really sharp, especially when you have this door that is all glass that we're used to for the.
You want to close it and show them what it looks like? Yeah, take a look.
As I just put my finger.
That's nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
Then you got your traditional logo, but inside there's some new things for 2023.
Yeah, I want to show you guys this awesome looking shower head. I shouldn't say awesome looking. It is awesome looking, but check this out. Like you're gonna get.
That's not just a shower head. That's like a
full body thing. Look at that water shooting out here and out of this. You're gonna get clean. I know that.
It's gonna be hard to call it camping, you know.
You gotta go back to glamping. This right up here, here's the Bluetooth. You hook up your phone to the Bluetooth here. That way they've taken away the radio. There's no worrying about like a radio breaking down or something breaking on that device.
That's nice.
And
And then this control panel.
Panel. As soon as you walk by, this will light up. Easier to get to and see. You got everything right there.
A little motion sensor.
Yeah, everything you need right there.
Check out their new faucet. So these are a little bigger than before. Nice farmhouse sink. Looking good.
Yeah.
I like the new color. So what do you call this? Maple? The
Mimosa maple. Dig it.
It's real wood. I mean, that's nice.
This is, of course, we're inside a little toy hauler. They've got the tables set up in the back, which is really nice. You don't see that very often. We don't show that very often. I mean, that's obviously not part of the make. Right. Not every black label has this in the back, but it's just kind of cool. We're in it. Let's show it off. So cool. There you go. 2023 Grey Wolf Cherokee making some upgrades. You can get more information if you go to rvwholesalers.com and click on Cherokee. Build your own. Look at the floor plans and see what they're offering. Cherokee, one of the best-selling RVs in the country.
Great value for your dollar.
Absolutely.
For sure.
Absolutely.